Grilling basics. Master the art of cooking over fire. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term, grilling basics. Grilling is not just a cooking method. It's an art that combines heat, flavor, and technique. Whether you're a beginner or just curious about grilling, this video will guide you through the essentials. Let's dive in. Grilling is a method of cooking that involves direct heat. Items are cooked on a grill, which consists of a grid of bars with a heat source from below, usually fire from gas or charcoal. The key aspects of grilling are high heat and fast cooking. This method is popular for cooking meats, vegetables, and even fruits, giving them a distinctive charred and smoky flavor. To start grilling, you need the right equipment. The most essential tool is the grill itself. There are two main types, charcoal grills and gas grills. Charcoal grills use briquettes or lump charcoal as fuel, offering a rich, smoky flavor. Gas grills, on the other hand, use propane or natural gas and are easier to control. Other important tools include tongs, a spatula, and a grill brush for flipping and maintaining your grill. Grilling requires mastering a few techniques. First, preheat your grill to the right temperature. For most foods, a medium-high heat is ideal. Learn to control the heat by adjusting the grill's vents or knobs. Secondly, season your food adequately before grilling. This adds flavor and helps in forming a delicious crust. Finally, know when to flip your food. Usually, it's best to turn it once to get perfect grill marks. Safety is paramount in grilling. Always grill outdoors in a well-ventilated area. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby in case of emergencies. After grilling, it's important to clean your grill. A grill brush can be used to scrape off food residues. This maintains your grill and ensures good hygiene. We hope this video helped you understand the basics of grilling. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with different foods and techniques. Happy grilling, and see you in our next English learning adventure.